All right. I get a little bit of first touch rule starting to form on the ES. Miami might be getting one. On the prior swing. Maybe a little W starting to form here. Still doesn't want to really push any much further past those prior highs. YM, you did the first touch rule. Make sure to have your targets off now. Maybe take a stab at this. Yeah, zone updated. Like it. You don't get a W. I wouldn't trade on the long side there. And you're gonna do like a 9 or 16 tick rule off of this, guys. I think that's the way you'd want to confirm that. I don't think I would try to jump in anything too soon, too early here. It's trying to give you a possible idea to have your buy stop if you really want to be on the long side with the yellow line. I don't think I'm a huge fan of it, but if you guys want to take a stab at it, there you go. Might get a decent little buy signal, but I don't. Again, I'd like to see it probably go a little bit lower.
This could go either way here.
A little bit lower. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let it go a little bit lower. Why not?
Not super sold on that long.
Neither am I.
Brian, we got to get you set up today with Joel. I talked to him over the weekend. There you go, win today.
Oh yeah. We can do that later this afternoon. All right. Those of you who did the W long on the ES, get your targets off. Those of you that did the 16 tick rule on the YM, get your targets off. Gave you the suggested buy stop, so you could have gotten in it, probably grabbed a couple of targets now. Just because we're not super excited about it doesn't mean you don't have to trade it. it's slow today, green jeans.
Yeah.
Slow today. Getting another buy signal on the YM. Yes, you guys could have still been long on it. Never a little W. Could have easily been a no lose on your stop. Now you could probably move up a couple more ticks.
Did you hear the 6-minute timer go off?
Sure did.
Okay, I want to see how this mic is, how much background noise it picks up compared to the Yeti.
Just barely. I
That's
knew what
good.
it was.
Yeah. The true test will be the landscapers.
The dryer.
Yeah, the dryer too. Actually, that's a
Give
good
me
one
the
too.
ice cream truck that comes by every. Hopping around, guys. Now starting to see a little chop. It's gonna be one of those days, ladies and gentlemen. Get a couple opportunities in. Be happy with what you got. Still looking for an opportunity to jump in something. Still being patient. And it's not horrible sell signal on the ES for you counter trend people. Matter of fact, that's not a bad one on the YM. Now that broke that swing. YM's in a downtrend. I mean, we're pretty much trend neutral, guys. So you got to go back to your, what do you do on a trend neutral day? You've got to trade from pre-defined zones that you pick. Look at the choppiness on the range charts, guys. This is chop, slow chop, but still chop. Still will chew people up. Still need to be patient. And might be getting a decent little buy signal at ES back from that prior swing. YM finally came down to a prior swing. Might be getting a decent little buy signal coming from that in a minute. Looks like you may want to confirm those with the W's or some kind of bottoming action if you're going to be doing the long signals, guys. Me? Talk me into one, Paul. Talk me into one.
Oh,
You're like,
I just don't want to take
don't know
anything
if
in
I
this
want to.
garbage. I'd rather just wait. Something will play out.
Somebody talk me into one.
I just don't want
Somebody
to say
out there,
anything.
guys. Somebody talk me into one.
This is higher risk trading.
Talk
right
me
now.
into it. Can somebody sell me on this W? Starting the forum. Anybody sell me on it? We'll put an order in.
I'll take that W.
Gets,
if it forms, I wouldn't take it. Or what I will do, I'll tell you what we can do.
How to get on the second leg if it starts to form.
Take a really small risk. That's how I would do it.
I just don't like it.
It's not going to happen. I'm not. No. Maybe a
Canceling
breakdown.
order. Trying to sell me on that. Nobody out there trying to sell me on the other. Like, no, we've been trained better than that. Not doing that crap. It's moved down past this little prior swing here. So
Yeah.
next long signal should be pretty good. I mean, what are you, like if you can call it a 70-point range on the YM, 80. Let's see. 90-point range on the YM. You got 10-point range on the ES with a ton of chop. I don't know if the shorts or longs are looking good, buddy. You could make a case from the shorts from the high of the range there. I think you could make a case for the shorts being the thing to do right now. From a zone. Now you might can make a case that you could possibly get a long signal. Probably won't do that with a W, but let's try her out. Too late. Missed it. There's your little long signal, guys. You may do the long signal from the zone. Nice job, Paul. Green jeans, stretch. Job, guys. Targets off and stops to a no lose. Good job, guys. I was too slow to the draw, so I did not get to participate.
Figured after that push down, it was a little safer than that other one we were looking at.
That's what I was saying earlier. I'd rather get back down here somewhere.
Yeah. I don't know that this is going to go too far either, but.
Good morning. No, I don't think it's going to go very far. You got a couple targets off.
I'm going to tighten it up. What the heck? I can get back in if I'm wrong. Morning, Farouk. Scalp it.
Yep.
Feel like green jeans this morning.
Yeah. And you are getting a sell signal on the ES and YM. Not huge sell signal, but still sell signal. So you might want to tighten your stops. Make sure you're out on the long side. And then now I'm starting to, the more I see this, the more I say, let's draw a line in the sand. I don't know. Maybe the line in the sand is the overnight lows. We stay below that, short heavier. Stay above it. Keep trading two ways.
I heard that before.
I think so.
Someone said
Somebody said that. At least we have a little line drawn in the sand. I'm not going to trust being heavy one direction or the other until that happens. Let's put it that way. You guys can do what you want. There you go. Win a day's doing the same thing. You guys do what you want. If you want to take these lower probability trades, like this little long signal here, great. Take them. Probably getting one coming up here on the YM in a second. Or take the short side of things. You guys do what you want. I was here to try to coach you into keeping your capital. Preserve that precious capital. Little W starting to form. It is coming out of a zone, though, guys. I mean, little bottom of the range, came from the bottom of the range. You could build a case that you want to be on the long side for the near term. For a very short period of time. Very confusing. Short the longs, long the shorts.
Just let it break out of this range.
You guys know to be patient. That's what I love about this club. You guys, everybody works together. Patience is key.
Today's
Discipline,
a good
patience.
Yes, sir. Today's a good day to talk yourself out of trades.
You guys just saw me do it twice.
Yeah.
Talk myself out of a trade.
Find a reason. Because you're probably going to be right.
Right. It sounded simple, but very true. Well, I just made my decision, Paul. I'm only going to take something from a zone with a rejection wick.
All right. I'll go for that. I like that, actually.
Made my decision. Everybody else, you guys can stay on the short side until you get some clear price direction here. YM back to a downtrend. Oh, that's not.
Yeah, this thing's not done.
Oh, that's weird. Wants to try to get me into a trade here and a little bit better fill price on this. A little W. Still don't like that one either, you know? Not a fan. Nope. Scaredy cat, scaredy cat, scaredy cat. There is a W for me though, guys, if you guys want to take a look at it. Came from his own, little W. Same on the YM, prior swing on the YM. W forming. Coming off a little support area. You might actually have a decent little case that this could go for you for a little bit on this W. I'm gonna kick myself that I didn't stay in that one. Dang it.
Anybody take that?
A little long trade on the YM as well. Nice box. Got it.
Nice.
Targets off, Rick. Everybody get your targets off. I just don't think it's done on the south side, so make sure you get your targets off. Good thing price action is real easy to do that with this morning.
I'm going to get out of it. I'm not going to risk anything today. I did do it, but I'm just going to scalp it. I'm not.
2 little scalps.
Yeah, 2 little scalps back to back. Definitely not. No risk today. Not at all. No risk trading.
Stops to no lose, guys. And if you get more out of it, you get more out of it. If you don't, made a little change, a little jingle jingle. It's about the best we could do. I mean, we're trying to look at the charts and get some clear direction, but there's not clear direction at all, guys. It's about as muddy as.
There's clear direction. Right.
It's going to the right.
It's going to the right.
Another little W on the YM starting to form. Going to the right. Like I say, guys, get your chances in and walk away from this crap today. Even here might be a good idea. This might be a good idea. Set an alert for the lows and highs. You could play the Crable maybe on the YM. Claude called it. Crable for ES is not bad right now. 1-minute breakout could do it. Got an M forming on the ES.
Yep.
Little M on the YM forming here. Shopping around at the bottom. I might be sold. Claude, you know what? I might be sold on the Crable today. Got the little M. Those YMES, I just pointed out the M's, guys. Those they can do counter trend. Or those, you don't have to be counter trend. YM's down. ES might as well be neutral or down as well. So M trades you can do. Anybody take a shot on the M trade? There it is, Coach Paul.
Little scalp. That's just Scalp City today. It's all it is.
Should have done that one. That's one I like that a lot better than the
Yeah, than the other one.
Than the long.
I'm gonna hold on to this one. This one could break down.
You get through that zone on this one, you got a good trade on your hands.
Yeah, I'm only doing it because there's small risks. That's it. Otherwise, I wouldn't touch it. Ah, don't do that. Oh well. It's gonna be one of those days.
Scap. Give it a minute. ES will be in a downtrend here in just a minute, guys. Yeah, I start maybe getting a little double bottom here on the ES. I'm just I'm scared of cat. I'm afraid to do anything right now.
Yeah. That's why I'm.
Ain't no use to be scared.
Boss hog. All right. Somebody gonna talk me into it.
Is it because you're it's peer pressure here?
Boss hog. It's still too late.
Yeah,
Late
that's
entry.
late on that one.
Let's see if we can get a target. Give me a target. Give me just a chintzy target. I don't even need much. Put them both together. Give me like the cheapest target possible.
Just a little scalp. That's all I've been
I
doing.
did say I would take a trade from the zone with a rejection wick.
You should get it if it breaks up above here.
Come on,
go.
baby.
There you go.
Come on, baby. My brand new account likes me for it.
There you go. Right.
I'm gonna lose.
See, told you.
Yeah, that's just.
Lost option, man. See, told you. See, I'm with you on the ball. I might just be like scap in, scap out. Maybe I can put like a little target up here. Oh, never mind. Flat. There you go. A little positive trade. That's it. $12.
Yeah, I've heard that too. Green jeans. Hey, my little 3 scalps have actually paid off, so I'm not complaining.
$12. Shut up.
Better than minus 12. That's true.
That's true.
Hey, green is green.
That fucking commission on that one was like 12.54. Balling.
There you go. There you go. Let green jeans run the room today.
No kidding. Oh, 54. Should try to stay in there, guys. Dagnabbit. Stop too tight. Got scared of it.
Be right back.
Got
Coffee
scared.
refill.
Yeah, I think it's probably by the time for everybody.
Yeah.
See, nobody listens to me.
Nobody listens to you. I listen to you, man. I should have stayed in. Maybe $100 instead of $12. At least I did what I said I was gonna do. Take a trade when it wicks out of a zone. That's what it did. Yeah. Those transmissions got it. Yeah, what's 12 times 10? That's 100. $120 whole dollars, people. Anybody stay in the long trade? Any of you guys stay in it and didn't chicken out like me? Chicken? Nobody? Nobody stayed in it? Maybe, tell you what's probably gonna happen today, guys. On days like today, see those decent little swings during the lunch hour. You guys trading through the lunch hour probably get a couple good swings. Get another M forming. This is why I'm not a huge fan of anything right now, people. Not a huge fan of this chop. And I hate it for the new guys, those of you on trial. Hopefully you understand what we're looking at. Guys, those that are newer, those that are on trial, we are patient traders. We're waiting for good trade setups. That seemed like it was a good one. Oversold stochastics. It actually was a good trade setup. I just was pansied out of it. Our members could have stayed into it, stayed in a little bit longer for the chop up. I mean, you look at the range charts, there's nothing but chop on the range chart. YM's got a little bit cleaner swings, but it's been chopping around now for about 30 minutes. Probably take a chance on the W on the long side now with the YM since the ES is pushing up some. But it's just choppy and not a lot of price action, guys. So hopefully you guys understand that. Hopefully you guys on trial. Hopefully you guys that are new understand that this is just a choppy morning and not a lot you can do with it unless you want to gamble or scalp like we were talking about. Get in, take your targets off quick. Move your stop to a no lose. Be happy with what you got. Not much you can do other than that right now. If you have to be in a trade, I'd say after when does it guys speak? After 11, you're probably going to end up seeing some swings come back in. We could almost just take a break till 11, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, Truckett and Lulu have it right here, guys. Why would you want to trade this crap? Let some swings come in. We have way too many good days to let some crap like this mess up your good days. You might be getting another little M to form. I mean, but yeah, just use the zones. I mean, heck, prior swings and zones, guys. A slow, choppy day.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we actually said that.
We said that on Friday. Didn't we? We talked about it Friday, didn't we?
We talked about it Friday. We talked about it, Mark. We talked about it this morning. When the day talked about it this morning. Boss Hog talked about it this morning. We all talked about it. We knew this would be expected at 5. Guys, we knew it. Like again, good job, Mark, pointing this out. No, but we did expect it. We expected a choppy day. Got this big of a push up into daily resistance. You got to expect something like this today. Same on the YM, big push up into daily resistance. Today would be that indecision day. And again, we talked about it all morning, guys. So nobody. That's all right, Mark. It's all cool. We agree with you. We did expect it. So sit on your hands and be safe. Take your time. Wait for a trade setup that's going to work well for you. Trade from the zones.
Patience pays today.
Here you go. When the day said it, they said it in the morning session. So everybody that got here on time today had the briefing. Everybody that was here on Friday, you had the briefing that today was going to be a slow day. Said it on Friday, said it today, said it a lot. So you had your briefing. Give me one more little scalp in here. You can call me.
We need just one little scalp.
I'm trying to get in here. I'm trying to figure out one. Somebody talk me into something.
I'm gonna
Let this
talk
come
into
down
a
to something.
W.
Let this come
Talk
down
me
to
into something. Buy stop or sell stop?
Buy stop.
I'm going to buy stop
Buy stop.
quick.
All right, we're gonna put it in here.
Quick.
You want to take this trade? You want this one?
Let me look.
If it hooks, yeah, it's off a level.
Oh,
Yeah, go for it.
dang, it's not your money.
Hey, no, it is my. I mean, I'm doing it too.
No, I'm not one to
Trying
blow
to.
that though. Trying to get taken out of this. Get my targets off. Give me a target at least.
Tighten up some targets here.
Give me a target.
Don't you look what a wick?
What'd you call me?
I said,
There we go. There we go.
A little bit better about it now. Still so shaky. Give me one.
oh, look at that.
Give me one more target, you sucker.
Get out. I'm out. I'm just not gonna risk it today. I'll take my scalps. Hey, this scalping thing works, Green Jeans. I'm up.
Seems a little stressful.
A little stressful, yeah.
Oh my goodness. But see, guys, there you go. You really want to trade this crap? I'm not gonna do anything else. That's it for me. I had a whole $12. Now I'm down 112. Down 112. Awesome. That's it.
You can get that back.
One trade. Not in this crap though. I'm not gonna do it. I'll be patient. Stick to some rules and be patient, guys. Guys, and again, those of you on trial, I hope you guys understand. Just don't scalp like boot camp Barbie. If you guys on trial understand that this is not a typical trading day, lots of slow action. You might be getting the W now on the ES. Maybe getting a buy signal now on the YM. Just a lot of chop right now, so beware. Buyer beware. See, this is, and then I didn't do exactly what I told everybody to do, get back on the one that starts working. It's the one that started working. Did anybody do that? That's right. There you guys go. Targets off. Do this another time or two, and then I think I'm gonna grab some coffee. Boss Hog just came on to aggravate me and leave. Is that what it was?
Just enough to push your buttons.
Just a button, just enough to push my buttons.
I'm still here. Can you hear me?
You're still here, yeah.
Okay, I'm still here. I was talking. The light wasn't on. I figured he was talking. I said, "See, this is the W I would have taken." The one I was talking.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Y'all jumped the gun, not me.
I got my targets off on the other one.
Well,
Now, would I come on
little
here?
Yeah, Zach.
foreman.
Would I come on here just to push your buttons and then leave? No.
I think so. I think that's a very likely situation. Goat me into getting into something and then leave.
But hey, you got your target. One tick.
It's not gonna do it. You guys keep doing it. Try to keep scapping on the long side. I mean, it just keeps bouncing off the bottom, keeps bouncing off the bottom. Wait for it. Holding back on the entry. My goodness. You know what? I got a phone call I can make while this is just. I mean that for real. I actually have a phone call I can make while I gotta do a chat with a member. While this thing's chopping around, you guys can take care of them. Coach Hugo did something?
Yeah.
A little long trade there, Coach Hugo. Good job.
Trucking down a 1, 2, 3 reverse trade.
1, 2, 3, do nothing trades. What I'm working on. I'm so cheap that $100 is the most.
You're willing to risk.
$112.
That's all you're gonna risk.
This is a day for me. That's it. Those on the sell side. Good job. Yeah, when the day's in working out, you got your targets working out. Nice job, win the day. Nice trade call.
Farouk, it's in the elite room every morning. It's not in the Zoom. So it's in the elite room. 7:45.
Coaching room.
Yeah.
Coaching room. It's in the coaching room, people.
Coaching room or the elite coach?
No, we actually have a coaching room and an elite room.
Oh, I think it was in the elite room this morning.
Behind on the times there. Oh, really? It was in the elite room. Okay.
Yeah. I think
What's one or the other? You know how to get it
there. Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
Nice M trade there.
You guys got the M?
That was a nice
M. They called it. You guys getting some of the M?
Oh, really? Jump me.
Anybody? You guys getting a piece of M?
There we go.
Nobody? Anybody? Nobody. When did they called it? Boss Hog called it. A little bit. It's the best you can do right now, guys. Gotta take what the market gives you. Not it right now. I'm gonna make a quick phone call. Be back in a bit. Coach Paul Boss Hog, I'm sure you guys are in good hands. Win today. Keep calling trades for these people. Stay on the short side now, y'all. Break below the zones. Follow our rules today. Stays below the overnight price action. Short heavy. Simple rules.
Yeah, you look at those 15-minute wicks and 60-minute wicks. It's just, that's ridiculous. That tells you it's just up and down day. Oops, got a phone call. Hold on. I'll be right back.
I'm just talking away with this thing on mic, on mute. This new mic, I got to get used to it. Yeah, Lulu, it looks like he already went on a walk. This thing's that counter trend M turned out to be a good trade. All right, good job, stretch. Anybody else in it? On the ES or the YM, I guess. On either. Hugo, I know Hugo's still in it. Both of them. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, we're down here at this level down here. Let's see what happens. See if it holds or breaks through. And
What did I miss? Guess still in the short.
he's
Take the long trade.
Missed a nice short, yeah, for sure. He could have took the
Win
W
the
there.
day. Good call. Win the day on the M.
I like the shorts.
Oh yeah. Well,
Maybe
Miami's in a downtrend.
Yeah.
Yes, it's going to be in a downtrend soon.
I was going to say it pretty much almost is in a downtrend at this point. It's very close. Could maybe take the first touch here.
Inside day, guys. There you go.
Still staying in that range.
A little W on the ES, a little W on the YM.
Two-way trading.
Anybody take the W long? Anyone? YMES. Anybody do that? This one, Dave. Nice. Targets off. Take what the market gives you guys. Stop so no lose. Job, Rick. From the zone. Power swing on the YM. Not a horrible setup and an inside day. Starting to get a little bit of an M. Time is it? 10,
It's almost
19,
20, yeah.
10, 20. Getting close to 10:30. Let's reverse to something.
Where's it going to reverse to?
We're
Back
gonna
to the top of the
reverse
range? To
Yeah.
the bottom of the range?
Maybe make a case for this M here on the ES. The sell stop. Good feeling that long there, Coach Hugo. Nice.
Got that printer going, doesn't he?
Yes, sir.
Printing that money.
Stops up a little bit. Lock in your profits, guys. On the long side. Let's go back up to the top of the range.
Yeah. Definitely two-way trading.
Nice, Coach Hugo. Big Boss Hog got his super machine back in.
Oh, he did get, it came in?
I think so.
I mean, he was trading the
Maybe.
old one this morning.
It's probably setting that up now. If I had to guess. Might be a good shot on the M here on the ES. A little tiny, tiny M on the YM. You guys might want to think about being flat on those long trades. Or at least just have your stops in. Lock in number of ticks that you want locked in and be happy with it, guys. Pay yourself to stay in the trade. Pay yourself to stay in the long trade, those that were long. Everybody else, just be a little patient. Flag entry on the ES, but it's a risky one. You got a little flag entry on the YM on the long side too, but again, that's a risky one as well, guys. You might get the ES long. You got the Dave got the ES long. Nice, Dave. Green jeans, Coach Hugo. You guys all along. Good job. Now you can move your stops up some. Maybe even 80.
Back up to the top.
Back. Maybe 152 on the YM would be a good stop now. Maybe 125 now on the ES. There you go. You might want to reload data. Make sure you have a data feed turned on.
Yeah, no, your data's fine. It's
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for a 3-day trial. During your trial with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have your questions answered by our coaches, as well as access to our training modules, live meetups, and indicators. Visit libertytradingclub.com. After the first 3 days, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.